Hi everyone, welcome to the Yarn Symphony. As you asked, in this tutorial I want to show you how to crochet Miffy. You can use it as a back charm or a keychain. This tutorial is beginner friendly and you can ask me your questions in the comments. And I don't want to use the magic ring for this tutorial. Let's start crocheting. This is my 2mm hook and this is the yarn I want to use. I changed the background color because the yarn I want to use is white, and now you can see the stitches better with this color. First I want to show you how to crochet the ears. I don't want to use the magic ring, so first I want to make one slip knot. If you want to make the magic ring, you can make it, and for the round 1, you need to make 6 single crochets inside of the magic ring. Now insert your hook inside of this loop. Now I want to chain 2, yarn over, again let me show you, down, back, twist, grab the yarn, and pull through this loop. This is 1 chain. Again, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 2 chains. Do you see this V shape here? This is 1 chain. Now I want to start around 1. So inside of the second chain from the hook, which is the first chain that I made, insert your hook. 1 loop of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. You see I'm holding this part with my thumb and middle finger. Make 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is 1 single crochet. I want to make 6 single crochets inside of the second chain from the hook. Again, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. 2 single crochets. Again, 3, again, inside of the same place. 4, now on the other side, inside of the same place. 5 and number 6. This is the end of the round 1. For counting the stitches, you need to count the V shapes. Do you see them here? Each single crochet looks like a V from the top. Now I want to start around 2. Do you see this V shape here? This is the first single crochet that I make. Let me insert my hook under this V shape. You see it here? Insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through. Make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is the first single crochet around 2. Let me mark it. This is my stitch marker. You can use a paper clip. Under the V shape. Now inside of the same stitch, I want to insert my hook, the first single crochet that I made, and make another single crochet. Now I made 2 single crochets inside of 1 stitch. We call that increasing when you make 2 stitches inside of 1 stitch. I'm going to write it like INC. As you see in the pattern, I want to increase 6 times, so I'm going to make 2 stitches inside of each stitch. On the left, we have the next stitch. Insert your hook, 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. Again, on the left, insert your hook, 1 and 2 single crochets. Again, under the V shape, 1 and 2 single crochets. Again, 1 and 2. This is the last one here. Insert your hook, 1 and 2 single crochets. This is the end of the round 2, and now I have 12 single crochets. Now I want to start round 3, so first take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet, and you need to mark it again. I want to mark the first stitch of each round. For the round 3 to 9, I want to make 1 single crochet inside of each stitch, so no increasing, just like that. 1, again the next stitch, 1, again the next stitch, 1, and so on. After each round, you must have 12 single crochets. So I'm gonna meet you after round 9. This is the end of the round 9 and I still have 12 single crochets. Take out the stitch marker. Now I want to chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull it to make it tight. This is the first ear. I need you to make the second ear with the same pattern, but do not chain 1 after the round 9 and do not cut the yarn. So I'm gonna meet you after the round 9 of the second ear. Okay, so this is the second ear and this is the end of round 9. Now I want to take out the stitch marker. Now it's time to crochet the head. If you haven't yet, please do hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me to grow and gives me the opportunity to keep giving you guys this content. Thank you. I want to connect the 2 ears first. So this is the last single crochet that we made. I want to insert my hook under this V shape here. See that? Right there. Now yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This is the first stitch of the head and I want to mark it. The first stitch of the first round of the head. Now on the left, this is the next stitch. You see that? Insert your hook under the V shape and make 1 single crochet. This is 2 here, we need 12. So 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. After 12 single crochet, do you see this V shape here? After this one, here is the next V shape. I want to insert my hook under this V shape and make 1 single crochet. This is 1, we need 12. So under the V shape of the next stitch, 2, 3, and so on. This is the end of the round 1 of the head, and now I have 24 single crochets. I'm going to start round 2, so take out the stitch marker. First, 1 single crochet inside of the first stitch, and you need to mark it. This is 1, we need 3. So on the left, this is the next V shape, yarn over and pull through, 2 single crochets, again on the left, 3 single crochets. After 3 single crochets inside of the next stitch, I want to increase. So under the V shape, 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. I want to repeat this pattern 6 times until the end of the round. 3 single crochets and 1 increasing. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, and inside of the next stitch, 1 increasing. So repeat this pattern until the end of the round and then you will have 30 single crochets. This is the end of the round 2, and now I have 30 single crochets. Now I want to start round 3, so first take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet inside of the first stitch, and mark it again. Let's make another single crochet. So after 2 single crochets, I want to increase 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. And then after 1 increasing, I want to make 2 single crochets. 1 and inside of the next stitch, 2. This is the pattern you must repeat. 2 single crochets, 1 increasing, and again 2 single crochets. Repeat this 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 36 single crochets. This is the end of the round 3, and now I have 36 single crochets. For the round 4 to 10, I want to make 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. As you see here, SC around, which means single crochet around. And after each round, you must have 36 single crochets. I'm going to meet you after round 10. This is the end of the round 10, and I still have 36 single crochets. Now make this loop bigger, take out your hook and take out the stitch marker. I want to feel inside of the ears. So after feeling the ears, again insert your hook. Now I want to start around 11. First 1 single crochet and mark it. One more single crochet. After 2 single crochets, I want to decrease. To decrease, we need these 2 stitches, and I want to get the front loops of these stitches. So first, 1 front loop, hold it on your hook, and again, another front loop. Yarn over and pull through the front loops, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. After 1 decreasing, again I want to make 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Let me show you again. This is the pattern you must repeat. 2 single crochets, 1 decreasing, so get the front loops, yarn over and pull through, and then 2 more single crochets. You need to repeat this pattern that you see in there 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 30 single crochets. This is the end of the round 11, and now I have 30 single crochets. Now I want to start around 12. So first 1 single crochet and mark it. This is 1 single crochet, we need 3. So 2 and 3. After 3 single crochets, I want to decrease. So get the front loops. This is the pattern you must repeat. 3 single crochets and 1 decreasing. Repeat this 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 24 single crochets. This is the end of the round 12, and I have 24 single crochets. Now I want to start around 13, so take out the stitch marker. First 1 single crochet and mark it. After 1 single crochet, I want to decrease, so get the front loops. And again 1 single crochet. This is the pattern you must repeat. 1 single crochet, 1 decreasing, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this until the end of the round, and then you will have 18 single crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 13, and I have 18 single crochets. Now take out the stitch marker. I want to start round 14. 1 single crochet, and you need to mark it. After 1 single crochet, I want to decrease. This is the pattern you must repeat 6 times. 1 single crochet and 1 decreasing. Repeat this until the end of the round, and then you will have 12 single crochets. This is the end of the round 14. Now again, take out your hook and the stitch marker and feel inside of the head. After feeling the head, again insert your hook. For the round 15, I want to decrease 6 times. One, two, and so on. After 6 times of decreasing, I want to chain 1. We need a long tail. Now you can cut this tail. You need to connect a sewing needle to this tail. Okay, this is how I'm gonna close the end. I'm gonna insert my needle under the front loops of these V shapes. Now I want to pull this tail to close the end, like that. Now you need to insert your needle in the center and bring it out from somewhere else. Pull it to make this part flat. Again, insert your needle and bring it out from somewhere else. Now you can cut the tail and push it inside of the head. Now I want to show you how to sew the face. I connected a piece of black thread to my sewing needle. They need to be 8 stitches apart. Now I want to tie knot 3 times. Cut the tail. Now you need to push it inside of the head. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna meet you in the next one.